Chapter 6, Food and Health. Learning Objectives. 1. Nutrients present in the food. 2. Balanced diet. 3. Communicable and non-communicable diseases. 4. Exercise and rest. 5. Very important role of water in our life. Let me answer. Nutrients are the nourishing substance in food that are essential for the growth, development and maintenance of body functions. Types of food. Food rich in carbohydrates, food rich in fats, food rich in proteins, food rich in minerals. Food. We cannot live without food for even a day, as we will feel weak and tired. Food is essential for our body. Food builds and repairs our body. Food provides us energy to work. It helps us to recover quickly when we are ill. As food plays such an important role in our life, it is all the more important to know what our food contains and how it helps us. Food contains nutrients that we need to live. Nutrients are useful substances that give us energy to grow and to do our day-to-day activities. The essential nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins. Water and roughage are essential to our body. Most foodstuffs contain more than one nutrient. Nutrients taken in the right amount help us to live a long and healthy life. Otherwise, we may suffer from diseases. Nutrients or food groups. Proteins. Proteins help us to grow and are used to build and repair worn out cells in our body. Proteins are present in almost all foodstuffs, but food like beans, meat, dairy products, fish, egg, nuts, and pulses are very rich in proteins. Proteins are called bodybuilding food. Carbohydrates. Another important nutrient is carbohydrates. Sugar and starch are the simplest form of carbohydrate. They are easiest to digest. Their digestion begins in our mouth by the action of saliva on food. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. So, a large part of our daily food should contain carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present in whole grains, bread, cereals, corn, beans, peas, potatoes, grapes, etc. They are energy-giving food. Fats. Fats make our food tasty. They are energy-giving food. They provide us with double the energy than carbohydrates. Extra fat gets stored in the body. Excess fat can make a person overweight and obese. Fats also help to absorb certain vitamins. They cover the delicate body parts and protect them from injury. That is why fat people are less likely to suffer from broken bones after a fall as compared to the thin people. Fats also keep the body warm. Most oils, butter and ghee are rich in fats. Minerals. Plants take minerals from the soil. These minerals enter our body through the food we eat. Minerals help the nervous system to pass messages to different body parts. They help the muscle to contract. Minerals are needed in a very small amount. Different minerals are present in different foods like milk and milk products, fish, green leafy vegetables, soya bean and nuts. Have a look at what some minerals do for us. Minerals, functions, sources, deficiency diseases. Calcium, build bones and teeth, strengthen gums and help the body to use vitamin C. Milk, cheese, almonds, weak bones. Iodine helps in proper growth of the body. Seafood, iodized salt, goiter. Iron builds red blood cell and help us to be active. Cashew nuts, sesame seeds. Anemia, phosphorus improves appetite and helps in growth. Peas, beans, green and leafy vegetables, weak bones and teeth. Vitamins. The word vita means life. Vitamins are not a source of energy. They are an important nutrients because they help different body systems to function properly. They are protective food as they help our body to fight diseases. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a rich source of vitamins. Vitamins like minerals are needed in very small amounts. Some of the vitamins and their sources are given below. Serial number, nutrients, deficiency diseases, food rich in nutrients. 1. Carbohydrates, marasmus, sugar, rice, potatoes, wheat, maize, honey, cereals. 2. Proteins, kwashiorkor, fish, meat, eggs, cereals, pulses, milk, cheese, paneer, soya bean. 3. Calcium and phosphorus, improper development of bones and teeth. Milk, Green leafy vegetables, pulses, nuts, meat, fish. 4. Iodine, goiter, fish, sea, food, iodized salt. 5. Iron, anemia, pulses, spinach, green leafy vegetables, cereals, eggs. 6. Vitamin A, night blindness, butter, milk, carrot, spinach, green leafy vegetables. 7. Vitamin B, berry, milk, meat, eggs, green leafy vegetables. 8. Vitamin C, scurvy, citrus fruit like lemon, oranges, tomatoes, lime, sprouted grains. 9. Vitamin D, rickets, milky fish, eggs, cooking oil, sunlight, water. There is a lot of water present in our body. Our body has 70% water. Why is there so much water in our body? Here are the reasons. Water helps the food to move through the digestive and excretory system. It is a major part of blood. It surrounds and protects the delicate body parts like the eyes, brains, and the spinal cord. It maintains body temperature by distributing the heat through the body and losing excess of it in form of sweat. It keeps our eyes bright, skin soft, and hair shining. It helps the body to digest nutrients. When you feel thirsty, it is your body's way to telling you to drink water and fulfill the body's need of water. The body loses water in the form of sweat, urine as vapors while exhaling. The amount of water needs to be body depends on one's age, outside temperature, humidity, etc. Usually we need to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the food. It helps the body to get rid of wastage. Thus, it prevents us from being constipated. Green leafy vegetable, fibrous fruit like orange, papaya, etc. are rich sources of roughage. We must include roughage in our diet. Balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients, roughage, and water in the right proportion is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential to stay healthy and grow well. Type of diseases. Diseases is a condition that does not allow the body to work properly. When we suffer from a disease, food does not taste good. We do not feel energetic to work. We feel sick and lazy. Communicable diseases. Communicable diseases are diseases that can spread from one person to another. These diseases are caused by germs present in the air, food, water, etc. Microorganisms that cause these diseases are called germs. Germs are of the following kinds. Bacteria, they causes diseases like typhoid, plague, tuberculosis, etc. Viruses, they cause diseases like measles, chickenpox, AIDS, etc. Protozoa, they cause diseases like malaria, dysentery, etc. The disease causing microorganisms are transferred from one person to another through various ways. These diseases are known as infectious diseases. Spread of communicable diseases. Infectious diseases spread different ways. They are direct and indirect contact. Direct contact with an infected person or animal can give you a disease. When you have a cold, you can pass it on to another person through sneezing and coughing. One source, boils or saliva of an infected person also contain germs that spread infection. Air. Germs remain in the air for quite some time. Tuberculosis, chickenpox, mumps, and measles are some diseases that spread through air. Insects. Just as flowers use the insect to carry their pollens to other flowers, germs use insects like mosquitoes and flies to enter our body. These insects are called vectors. When they bite, germs enter our body. Malaria and sleeping sickness are some of the diseases spread by insects. Food and water. Food can spread germs if it is not stored or cooked properly. Vegetables and fruits need to be washed before eating. Water is a carrier of many diseases. Food poisoning, diarrhea, and jaundice are some of the diseases caused by contaminated food and water. Prevention of communicable diseases. A few simple ways to prevent diseases from spreading are personal hygiene. It is important to keep our body free from diseases. We should not share our toothbrush, comb, handkerchief, towel, soap, and other personal things. Hands should be washed before and after meals. We should have a bath every day and wear clean clothes. General hygiene. Diseases spread easily in unclean places. All public areas should be regularly cleaned. This prevents germs from settling down on the surface and breeding. Floors, kitchen, platforms, toilets, and sinks are some of the places that should also be regularly cleaned. Utensils used for cutting, cooking, and storing food should be kept clean. Mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. We should prevent their breeding in and around our homes. Fresh air and strong sunlight kills germs. Our houses should be airy and should allow enough sunlight to enter. Things used by the patient should be kept separately. Their rooms should be made germ-free. They spraying a disinfectant on the floors and walls. Non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are the diseases that do not spread from one person to another. They are caused to deficiency of a nutrient, vitamins, minerals, etc., or due to the malfunctioning of a body part like liver, kidney, etc. We have already read about the diseases caused due to deficiency of some vitamins and minerals. Malnutrition, lack of proteins and carbohydrates over a long period of time causes malnutrition. It is common in children. In case of malnutrition, there are signs of improper or stunted growth. Thin legs and hands, swollen stomach, patchy skin, and dull reddish hair are some common symptoms. That condition can be avoided by eating food rich in proteins and carbohydrates like banana, potato, milk, cereals, etc. Vaccine. Vaccine is a substance that is injected into the blood to protect the body from a disease. This process is called vaccination. Vaccination develops immunity against diseases in our body. Our immune system protects us from illness. It consists mainly of white blood cells in our blood. These cells attack the diseases causing germs that enter our body to cause cold, cough, fever, stomachache, etc. Common vaccines that are given to us in childhood are polio vaccine, DTP vaccine, prevent diarrhea, tetanus and pertussis, and MMR vaccine prevents measles, mumps and rubella. Pasteurization. Pasteurization is a method of killing harmful bacteria in milk by boiling it for at least 30 minutes and then cooling it quickly. The milk we get in packets is pasteurized. Serial number, name of the vaccine, age, diseases protected from 1. BCG and OPV, at birth, polio and tuberculosis, DPT1 and OPV1, weeks, polio, tuberculosis, diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, 3. DPT2 and OPV2, 10 weeks, polio, tetanus, diphtheria and pertussis, 4. DPT3 and OPV3, 14 weeks, polio, tetanus, diphtheria and pertussis, 5. Measles and chickenpox, 9 month, measles and chickenpox, 6. MMR, 15 month, measles, mumps and rubella, 7. DPT and OPV booster dose, 18 month, polio, tetanus, diphtheria and pertussis, 8. DT, 5 years, tetanus and diphtheria, 9. TT, 10 to 15 years, tetanus. Exercise. Physical exercise makes our body strong and healthy. It develops our muscles and increases our stamina. Exercise makes our heart beat faster, thereby improving blood circulation. Cycling, swimming and jogging are also good exercises. Rest. After the day's work and play, our body needs rest. A good sleep helps to refresh a tired body. When we rest, our muscles relax and our breathing and heartbeat slow down. A good sleep also gives our body the time for growth and repair of its cells. Facts to know. Apples are more efficient than caffeine for waking up in the morning. Apples are part of rose family. Strawberries are the only fruit which has seeds on the outside. Let's recall. 1. Nutrients present in food are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. 2. Water and roughage are essential for the body. 3. Proteins help in growth and repair of the body cells. 4. Fats protect body parts, maintain body temperature and give energy. 5. Carbohydrates are the main energy source for the body and are easy to digest. 6. Vitamins and minerals are required in small quantities and help the functioning of different body systems. 7. Water helps the various body systems to work. It helps smooth joint movement, maintain body temperature, protect delicate body parts, fight diseases, and is important for the skin, hair, and eyes. 8. Roughage helps the body to get rid of wastage. 9. Diseases is an illness that affects the health of a person. Diseases can be communicable and non-communicable. 10. Germs like virus, bacteria, parasite, and fungi cause infectious diseases. 11. Diseases spread through physical contact with the infected person and also through air, water, food, and insects. 12. Diseases can be prevented or controlled by maintaining personal and general hygiene, vaccinations, and medicines. 13. Exercise and rest are important for our body. Word power. Obese, very fat in a way that is not healthy. Humidity, the amount of water in the air. Hygiene, the practice of keeping yourself clean in order to prevent illness. Constipated, unable to get rid of waste material from the bowels easily. Train your brain. Cross curriculum connect. 1. Answer the following questions in short. A. Define the following in one line. 1. Immunity. 2. Proteins. 3. Carbohydrates. 4. Vitamins. 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Dash is the simplest form of carbohydrates. B. Dash are not a source of energy but help the different body system to function properly. C. Dash cover the delicate parts and protect our body from injury. D. Dash and dash are diseases caused by bacteria. E. Deficiency of vitamin A causes dash. F. Scurvy is a disease caused by deficiency of dash. G. Deficiency of dash causes goiter. H. Deficiency of iron causes dash. I. Dash and dash diseases are caused by food and water. 3. Answer the following questions. A. Why do we need food? Name the essential nutrients present in the food. B. Why are protein important for us? C. Name food rich in carbohydrates and fats. Why are carbohydrates and fats important? D. What is roughage? Why is it important? E. Why are vitamins and minerals essential? Name a few of them. F. What is a balanced diet? G. What is malnutrition? Give any two symptoms of malnutrition. H. Distinguish between communicable and non-communicable diseases. 4. Take the right and cross the wrong statements. A. We eat food because it contains nutrients and that we need to stay healthy. B. Most food items contain only one nutrient. C. Minerals are needed in very small amounts. D. Sugar and starch are very difficult to digest. E. Taking rest is not important for the body. F. Rickets is a communicable disease. G. Water is a major part of the blood. J. Pasteurization is only the cooling of milk to kill germs. K. Mosquitoes and flies do not spread diseases. L. Contact him with an infected person can spread diseases. 5. Multiple choice questions. A. Which statement is wrong? 1. Milk, cheese, almond are the source of calcium. 2. Deficiency of calcium is cause of weak bones. 3. Proteins are used to build and repair worn out cells in our body. 4. Carbohydrates are not important nutrients. B. Deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? 1. Vitamin A. 2. Vitamin B. 3. Scurvy. 4. Rickets. 6. Give one word for each one of the following. A. Lack of proteins and carbohydrates over a long period of time. B. Injecting substance into the blood to protect the body from a disease. C. Capacity to fight against the disease. Activity time. Take one tablet each of vitamin A, B and C and 3 test tubes. Pour some water in each test tube. Then put one tablet in each test tube and shake them well. What do you observe? Which tablet get dissolved in water? Thoughts. 1. Is it advisable to clean your face, hands and feet before going to bed? Why? 2. Prevention is better than cure. Justify. Project time. 1. Make posters to show that how communicable diseases are caused and can be prevented. 2. Conduct a survey in your locality and find out if all the children in your area have been vaccinated against diseases like measles, diphtheria, etc. This way you can spread awareness about various diseases.